everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Next up is Lisa. I'm Lisa and I'm your host for today. I've always wanted to say that. Anyway, I wanted to come and let you all know that I am thinking about doing a series of cooking. I find that I end up spending most of my time with you guys in the kitchen versus having chit chats or vlogging or taking you around to different things with my family. So I decided that I wanted to recreate a number of different recipes from different cookbooks or Pinterest, and I don't know how long this is going to last, but it made me think about it when I made the lemon blueberry bread from Charlie the Cook Andrews. So I wanted to share with you a couple of the cookbooks that I have, and I'm interested to find out if there are any cookbooks that you would recommend. If you do, please leave them down in the comments section so that I can actually explore them and maybe purchase them. So first up is one of my favorite YouTube and internet chefs. This is Darius Williams, and this is his Stories from My Grandmother's Kitchen. It's a great book. I've tried a couple of things from here before. This is actually self-produced by him, and it has a bunch of recipes that he actually cooked in conjunction with his grandmother and or in remembrance of the things that his grandmother did. So I'm going to go through here and actually do some of the recipes from here. I've also actually gone to his Dining with Darius event in the Washington DC area, and that was fabulous. Wonderful food. So he is definitely on my recipe recreations. Let's see, next I have Southern Keto. I have lost a nice amount of weight over the last couple of months. Not because I was doing keto, but I'm afraid of gaining it back. So I might be adding some keto recipes in there when I really want something that has a lot of calories or carbs in it. So for instance, I think I got this book because someone on YouTube, and if I remember her name, I will put it down here, recommended it because of, I want to say she was making some kind of biscuits. So, and I thought that was interesting, so I picked this book up. So I see drop biscuits in here, waffles, skillet pancakes, things like that. So I am going to hopefully do 1 or 2, or if not more, recipes from this book also. Again, Southern Keto, 100 plus traditional food favorites for a low carb lifestyle. Next, I have the Pioneer Woman Cooks Come and Get It. I was in Walmart a couple of weeks ago and it was $5, so I picked this up. I actually have another one of her cookbooks. I'm looking at it over there because I forgot to put it in the pile. And so I'm going to cook a couple of things out of one or both of the cookbooks that I have for her. I don't remember how much I paid for the cookbook that I'm looking at over there, but this one was $5. So I thought I would go ahead and buy that one. I came across Kevin Curry on Instagram and YouTube, and he just has a fantastic story about getting healthy. And this is his first cookbook. It's called Fit Men Cooks. He has YouTube. It does YouTube, Instagram. I think he has his own website for Fit Men Cooks, and he has a number of recipes in here. Some are keto, and some are just eating healthier. And then making it easy for us to prepare meals and things like that. So I actually got this one for me and my son, because my son goes through these cycles where he really wants to cook healthier, and I wanted to show him that, you know, it can be done. We haven't cooked anything out of this yet, but it is on the list of things to recreate. So we will get 1 or 2 things out of Fit Men Cook. And I'm a QVC lover, and I actually purchased, I think this is David Venable's first book. I believe he has a second cookbook out now, but this is his first one. This is Comfort Foods That Take You Home. I'm going to look through here and see if I can find one or two things to make out of here. So we can anticipate having something from David Venable's first cookbook. And then here, I have a lot of different recipes that I have pulled off of Pinterest or, you know, via the internet. Some things I got off of the Swan's Down box for cake flour. I have cream cheese pound cake. I got this off of All Cooks, and you see someone wrote best cake ever. So some things are going to be recreated and some things are just going to be done. So there are a number of things in here. Oh, and here's something from Land O'Lakes. Sweet and spicy baked shrimp tacos. Maybe I'll make that one day. I have my family's corn pudding. So maybe as part of all of this, I will organize these things and get them together and put them in some type of order so that it makes sense. Here's something from Philadelphia cream cheese. One is a double lemon cheesecake bars, and then a Philadelphia classic cheesecake. I bet you I kept this for the lemon cheesecake bars. So anyway, what I just really wanted to get on here to say was that in addition to the HelloFresh that I've been doing over the last several weeks, and I think I'm going to continue to do, maybe skipping a couple of weeks, but I do plan on continuing HelloFresh. I do plan to have a series where I'm actually cooking out of cookbooks or Pinterest, or finding recipes that I see from the YouTubers that I follow and just trying their recipes out. So look forward to that series. It'll be coming up in October. So stay tuned, and I hope you will go along for this new ride with me. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I thank you for stopping in and taking a look. Hopefully you like the idea of us going and making some recipes. If you are a returning viewer, thank you. You know I appreciate every moment you spend with me. It means the world to me. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, subscribe and turn that bell on so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. That'll be very important in the coming weeks, so that when I put out these new recipes, you'll automatically know what's happening. Bye.